In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign effort in Asana. Assigning effort helps you plan realistically, balance workloads, and communicate expectations clearly with your team. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add an effort field to your project, choose the right option for your team, and enter values that drive better planning. Start by opening the project where you want to track effort. Look to the top right and click the Customize button. This opens the project customization panel where fields live. From there, select the option to add a field. You'll see choices from your team's field library as well as the option to create something new. We're going to use what's already available to keep things consistent across projects and reports. Next, select the effort field you want. Many teams use estimated effort, while others prefer labor or points. Choose the one your team recognizes and stick with it so your reporting stays consistent. If your team estimates in hours, labor or estimated effort as a number makes sense. If you work in sprints and agile ceremonies, points may be a better fit. When you select the field, glance at its settings to confirm it's a number field and review any description. If you see an option to apply it to this project only or to keep it in the library, choose what aligns with your team's standards. The goal is clarity and consistency, not complexity. Now open the task you want to wait. Click the task from your list, board, or timeline to bring up the task details. In the task pane, you should see the effort field you just added. If you're in a list view and prefer entering values in line, make sure the effort column is visible. You can show it from Customize if needed. Either way works. The important thing is that the field is available on the task. Finally, enter the value. Type the number that best represents the effort for this task. Keep your unit consistent with your team's practice. Hours if you chose labor or estimated effort, or numeric story points if you're using points. As soon as you enter the value, Asana saves it automatically. From here, you can sort tasks by effort, filter to see high effort work, and roll these numbers into dashboards and workload views to plan smarter. That's all it takes. Add the field, pick the right effort option, open the task, and enter the value. Use clear, shared standards so your estimates mean the same thing to everyone on the team. Thanks for watching and happy planning.